Prime Minister Narendra Modi took stock of India's Olympic preparations on Friday and also announced a virtual interaction with the country's Tokyo-bound sportspersons on the 13th of July, 4 days before the first batch departs for the Japanese capital. The interaction with the athletes will be held virtually owing to the COVID-19 situation.
As Indian athletes prepare to run for glory in the Tokyo Olympics, the nation is leaving no stone unturned to motivate them to give their best performance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has once again taken the lead. He has been tracking the developments associated with the subject. Prime Minister took stock of India's Olympic preparations on Friday and also announced an interaction with country's Tokyo-bound sportsperson on July 13th, 3 days before the first batch departs for the Japanese capital. The interaction with the athletes will be held virtually owing to the COVID-19 situation. Prime Minister tweeted, reviewed preparations for facilitation of India's contingent at Tokyo 2020, discussed the logistical details, their vaccination status, the multidisciplinary support being given. He further added, on behalf of 130 crore Indians, I would be interacting with the Olympic-bound athletes on 13th July to wish them luck. Let us all cheer for India. The earlier announcement of his July 13th engagement with athletes was made on government's citizen engagement platform, MyGov India's Twitter page. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with the athletes at 5 p.m. via video conferencing. The interaction by Prime Minister is an endeavour to motivate the athletes ahead of their participation at the Games. The interaction will be telecast live on Doordarshan and on various government social media platforms. The first batch of India's Olympic-bound athletes will depart for Tokyo in a chartered Air India flight on July 17th. A total of 126 athletes across 18 sport disciplines from India will be heading to Tokyo. This is the biggest ever contingent India is sending to any Olympics. The 69 cumulative events across 18 sport disciplines that India will participate in is also the highest ever for the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has earlier in a meeting in June first week directed the Indian Olympic Association to ensure that all sportspersons set to represent India at the Tokyo Olympics are vaccinated and provided with uninterrupted training and personal support. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Anurag Thakur, chaired the 7th meeting of the high-level committee in New Delhi to review the preparations and participation of the Indian team for Tokyo Olympics 2020 on Monday. Various aspects, including world-class training and facilities for the selected players for Tokyo Olympics, were discussed in this meeting. Anurag Thakur also discussed with the officers about the progress of Cheer for India campaign and the preparations for the interaction of Prime Minister with the athletes. The PM interacting with Indian contingent before they set sail for Olympic glory is a great window for the player to gun for glory. The Prime Minister leads from the front as over 130 crore Indians want the Summer Games contingent to put their best foot forward in Tokyo. Sports Desk, DD India.